518 Underground Music. Looking for something to brighten your holidays? Sick of family giving you sweaters and knickknacks that'll end up on a shelf that you'll never put up? Didn't get the Beats by Dre headphones you wanted? Well, look no further because 518 Underground Music presents Mortuary's Christmas Mixtape Volume 1. This mixtape will be sure to bring happiness and cheer to you and your mildly retarded family. So ditch the scotch tape and wrapping paper and get ready to listen to the hottest holiday mixtape to hit the 518 cents. Well, Bing Crosby isn't from around here, but he sure would like it if he wasn't dead. December 20th, Mortuary presents Christmas Mixtape Volume 1.